The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information, call 417-335-3109. The phenomenal views of Bull Shoals Lake and the rolling Ozark Mountains across the horizon right out your back door will take your breath away. You will feel like you're sitting on top of the world in this private lake cabin that includes 3 parcels. Home boasts 2 bedrooms and 1 large full bath complete with a claw tub, full-size laundry, spacious kitchen with updated concrete countertops, new sink, pot boiler and more. There are 2 living areas with a fireplace to cozy up to and a sunroom to take in the many views of wildlife. Watch the soaring eagles over the lake while having your morning coffee. Step outside and take a walk to the lake, or entertain friends and family in the picnic area while the kids are playing on the massive clubhouse complete with rock climbing wall. Need storage? Property comes with a 16 by 10 shed. Other amenities include a terraced garden, chicken coop/dog run and dog house. Property is adjacent to Corp land, making this location prime, and there is a boat launch within half mile. Call today for your private showing.